Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep all parts organized. First, unplug your Thermomix TM21 to ensure safety during the repair. Next, remove the base by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully take out each screw and place them in a safe location. Once the base is removed, you will see the internal components, including the motor and the clutch assembly. It's essential to clean the internal area with a soft cloth to remove any dust or residue that may have accumulated over time. A clean workspace will help you better see and handle the parts. Now, locate the clutch. It is usually positioned near the motor. Using the pliers, gently pull away any components obstructing access to the clutch. If you find any screws securing the clutch, remove them carefully with your screwdriver. As you proceed, if you don't have the tools or find it challenging to handle the repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures you know what to expect before proceeding. After removing the clutch, take a moment to inspect it for wear and damage. If it shows signs of significant wear, it's time to replace it. Take your new clutch and align it properly with the motor's shaft. Make sure it fits snugly. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair to ensure you're making the right choice. Once the new clutch is in place, reattach any screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any issues during operation. After securing the clutch, it's time to reassemble the base of the Thermomix. Place the base back onto the appliance and screw it in place with the Phillips screwdriver. Before plugging it back in, double-check that all components are secured and that there are no leftover parts. A clean and organized assembly will ensure the appliance functions correctly. Now, you can plug in your Thermomix TM21 and test its operation. If everything works smoothly, you've successfully changed the clutch. However, if you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel, just let us help you with the service you need. With your Thermomix TM21 back in action, remember the importance of regular maintenance to prolong its lifespan. Regular cleaning and checks can prevent future issues, ensuring your kitchen companion remains reliable for years to come. In summary, always prioritize safety and cleanliness during repairs. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, don't forget that professional help is just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.